Hey guys, good morning. This is John Lee Hilliard Jr. from JT's Vending Services LLC, coming to you with the video of my son John Lee Hilliard III. This is actually his payday. He actually get paid on Sunday, but we were having so much fun and doing so much family stuff on Sunday, forgot to get around to it. And then I thought, why don't I just record how I pay him for working and serving his family during the week? So the other day, this along with about $50 in quarters. We put them all in a roll already. In 4 days, we cleared this from our one snack machine and one bottle vending machine, mostly from the soda machine because it's hot in Memphis and it's going crazy. And then we have a canned drink machine that's doing pretty good in the same location, just a different part of the building. But it does pretty good. We just forgot to collect over there, but we'll go back this week. But so what I do, we go and me and my son, should have a previous video be posted us collecting the money from all the vending machines and restocking them. And then, we go ahead and take a tally of the product that we may need later. And we go ahead and take the cash from there, purchase the items, and then just hold them until it's time to restock. And then we restock. But what I do from this cash, also, not only restocking the vending machines that's already been restocked, but I do with this, I pay him for, hold your chart up. I pay him for services that he provide his family during the week. So he works Monday through Saturday, and he does these things that are listed, and he'll read them off to you shortly. And this is the month he has it for the month of July, and these are the things that we use to pay our son. So if you want to, go ahead and read them off real quick.
So I do that. Clean cars out. I do this evening. I empty trash. I feed my dog. I read a book. I clear the table. I pull the trash cans up. I unload the dishwasher in the kitchen. And I do your work outside and pay out. So I do.
So do yard work. So those are the things he read off are the things he does to serve his family and get paid. And we use this chart just to keep track of how much he has earned. We don't give anything unless we feel like giving him something, but he earns every single dollar he has. So in this next part, he has three separate folders once he gets paid, he divides his money into three separate folders. And go ahead and show each folder one at a time.
Give. Save. And spend.
And spend folder. So those three folders, this that we're showing you is all a part of his payday. We do it on Sunday again originally, but we would just run around having so much fun as a family. It just kind of slipped both of our minds. But he gets paid, so we didn't do it last week. So obviously I owe him for last week, and he earned an additional $10. So again, from JT's vending. So and we can also the money we pay him for working with us, we can write this money off also through the IRS because our son is underage and he's not able to get a job, but he can work for his family, and we can get up to like a $13,000 deduction for paying him annually for working restocking vending machines within reason. So I owe, how much do I owe? How much have you earned from last week and this week total?
I have well, the just
How much? Be clear.
33.
$33. Okay. We don't want
Yes.
to take you guys through all the math, but I owed him some money. I just, again, I forgot. So it's that money from week before last and then last week. And this week starts a new week. So I'm just going to add up his money to pay him. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22, 26, 27, 30, 31, 32, 33. All right, 33 bucks. All right. So guys, when I give him his $33, just to save time, we'll go ahead and say it's 33. But what we normally do when we're not recording, I make him count it after me. So if I'm paying him money, I teach him if you're getting paid, make sure you count your money, make sure it's correct, make sure you got the accurate amount. But like I just told the people on camera tray, to save time, don't worry about counting it. Um, it's correct. I counted out 33 bucks. So go ahead and show the people on camera how you separate your money. And guys, once we've paid him out, what we do, we go ahead and take away all the check marks, all the check marks, and anything. Normally he has goals, savings goals right here, and normally he has a cost and then a current amount he has in saving, but we had erased all that. But okay, so how are you separating your money?
So $4 in here.
And what fold is that?
Give.
Okay, so he's putting $4. Now all this is based on we we as Christians, we teach our children to give at least 10%. So he's giving at least $4. It could be three, it should be three, but he can give what he wants, but the minimum is 10%. So he's giving $4 to his give folder. So this give folder, when it goes in here, it cannot be taken out for anything other than giving away to other people. Not giving to get something, not giving to have people say that. Just give it and go about your day. It just we just teach being generous and being, having that generosity helps others as well as yourself. What's the second folder you put money in?
Select for I put money in save.
In his save folder. So with him saving, normally he has a typical goal, but we're packing, like we're in the middle of transitioning and moving. So he doesn't have a set goal now until like after we move. But right now we require him to put at least, how much is that? At least like $3 to $4 in your
4.
okay, $4 in your savings. If you don't have a set goal. And again, guys, this is what we do. You don't have to do the exact same thing, the exact same amount.
If you want to.
Yeah, it's up to your child. Yeah.
Yeah.
We oh, you fine. We just help him, and as you can tell, he has quite a bit saved. Um, but he's just saving, and then when he comes up with a set goal that he's saving for, then we'll put it towards that.
And the last vote I have is spin. My favorite one. Obviously my favorite one. So
I'll count this out real quick. So his spin folder: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. He has 25 bucks left that he's putting in his spin folder. So with this spin folder,
I can spend it like on anything, like a bike or toys or anything I want.
anything he wants. because this is the money he earned, and he's already separated. And you can tell it's quite a bit in here. Just trying to mush all of it in here.
Cause these
I'm going to give
two,
you bigger bills so you can reduce the size.
these two, the 7 spin folder are almost full.
Yeah.
So
Like I said, with this spin folder, so when we go out with the spin folder, when we go out to the store or we're going to the vending machine, because he tends to get to the vending machine
he
and
does
won't,
do. He does do.
but I own him.
Yeah.
You don't. He gets to the vending machine and Dad, I want this and I'll pay you later. No, 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 no. We're not borrowing snacks. You bring your spin folder. So when you want something at the vending machine, then just get it because he more than likely always wants something. But that's fine. But he can spend his own money. And we take, of course, as his father, I take care of, his needs, his shelter, transportation, and stuff like that. But those miscellaneous things that your child wants when they go out in public and they just want it because they want it and it's your money at a young age, I say teach them now. Because once they grow up and they think, oh, I can just get it because I want it, that's not how the world works. So teaching your child how to manage money on a simple, as what we're doing on a simple level, is what we do with JT's vending. So what I teach my son is what we push in our ACER program. And ACER is short for a step into reality, which is essentially we just walk through showing children how to set a simple budget, how to earn money if they're not able to go get a traditional job. So, and with them trying to earn money, after going over several scenarios where they can earn money in their own way, because some children can wash out trash cans, some children can cut grass, some children can go to people's homes and help them pick up or clean up around the house, pick up sticks in their yard, especially with the branches and stuff and the storm coming through here in Memphis. He can do a lot of things like that. So one of the things in class we cover is we cover simple little writing prompts like this. If I had $100, and we go over in class the three things. What are the only three things you can do with money?
Spend, save, and give.
Spend, save, and give. So with those, we go over and we try to get the children to change their mindset around money by teaching those simple things, and then we go over this writing prompt together, and then we do like small things like these open class budgeting assignments and questions. We go over a budgeting quiz in class. This is for everyone, all the students. And we answer it together just so it can be a full participation. Financial literacy. So we go over, sorry, that's a little, yeah. We go over a financial literacy. It says quiz, guys, but it's just a financial literacy questions, like 12 questions that help get the child thinking differently about money. That's all it's for. And all this stuff is just open for all of us to go through at the same time. And then a personal finance quiz that actually, it's again, not a quiz, but it helps the kids get a different mindset around money. So guys, we thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate everything you guys are doing, supporting us. We are almost at 100 subscribers, and then we'll go live. If you guys stay alert, we'll go live and we'll give away $100 to the first random person that we see on our subscriber list. We appreciate that. And again, guys, like, share, and subscribe this video to as many people as possible. Sorry about the quality of the video. My wife has the other computer, so I had to use this one. But it's still okay. It'll suffice. But the goal is to get the information out there. It's not to make sure I look pretty and glamorous. It's to make sure that what I'm teaching my son helps him be a better man, helps him be a better human in general. And the goal is to teach as many of you guys how to do this and to teach your children if you need us to. So you can also contact us through JT's www.jtsvending the number 4 the letter u.com, or you can just email us at JT's Vending Service the number 4 the letter u at gmail.com. If you want more information on like the financial peace stuff we got from from teaching our children to teaching the children in class, any of the information we have, it's public domain. We just took what we did specifically for our children and just kind of put them into a more localized, smaller program so it could be more effective to give the kids something more tangible to do, to put their hands on and see. It helps me to learn because I learn by putting my hands on something and doing it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video is helpful in some kind of way. If you need more information, I'll put a link to our website in the show notes, and I'll also add additional information in the show notes just to let you guys see where you can check out our ACER program, to see how you guys can contact us, and just let you know, guys, we're here to help. And thank you so much. Au revoir. A bientôt.